welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be making resolution on equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin, and also on equation of circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. Let's go. Let's consider the following questions on the board. It said, that's just question 1. Find the center coordinates and then the radius of the circle from the following equation. Find the center coordinates and then the radius of the circle from the following equation. I will be brief, straight, and to the point. Now, if you look at, we consider this question, x squared plus y squared minus 4 equal to 0. Like in my last video, I told you that when after the quadratic term, we only have the constant value without any linear variable, that equation is that of a circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. As you can see in this very question, x squared plus y squared minus 4 equal to 0, and 4x squared plus 4y squared equal to 100, and 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 12 equal to 0. All of these are equations of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. So with that, let's go straight to the point. Solution. Number 1, you have x squared plus y squared minus 4 equal to 0. Let's present it. This is also the same as x squared plus y squared equal to 4. And you know, every coordinate at the origin is 0, 0. So if you compare, let me call this equation asterisk. Comparing equation asterisk to the standard equation of a circle whose center coordinate is at the origin, and that equation says x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Therefore, center coordinate is always 0, 0. And radius as r can be estimated from our r squared equal to 4. But we are going to equate this 4 to the radius squared, since this side are also similar. So you equate this 4 to radius squared, which implies that r is equal to square root of 4. That will give you 2 units. 2 units, yes, whatever that. So the calibration of this circle will be 0, 0, center coordinate, r equal to 2 units. So this is the answer that we are looking for this particular question. We are talking about the equation of circle whose center coordinates is at the origin. So the second question, I will now simplify. Here we have 4x squared plus 4y squared equal to 1. Before you make this equation look exactly like this, that is that of circle center coordinate is at the origin, you have to divide through by 4. Divide through by 4. This implies that x squared, that is where you have 4x squared over 4 plus 4y squared over 4 equal to 100 over 4. So with that, you see that you have your x squared plus y squared equal to 25. So if you compare this to x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, the standard equation of circle center coordinate is at the origin. This implies that center coordinate is 0, 0. And when you take square root of, if r squared equal to 25, which implies that look at these two can have that r squared is 25, and this implies that r is equal to root 25. That would give you 5. So our radius is equal to 5 units. And the last question, III, we have 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 12 equal to 0. Same thing is applicable. Divide 3 by 3 first. So when you divide 3 by 3, that way same time you are going to have x squared plus y squared minus 4 equal to 0, which implies x squared plus y squared equal to 4. Compare it to x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. The standard equation of circle center coordinate is at the origin. This implies that you are going to have from here without wasting time 0, 0 center coordinate, and the radius is equal to 2 units. So that is how to make the resolution. This question is usually for if it is an equation of circle center coordinate, it's at the origin. It's a very simple question to solve.
Thanks for engaging and watching this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that when I make my subsequent upload, you'll be the first to be notified.